normal diodes there is a demonstration, and this is semiconductor. Okay, but the input supply in diode, in normal diodes there are two kinds of semiconductors. One is the V type, another is the A type. But instead of
very recently, the trend is now extending to Nepal. It is Bhutan and Myanmar. I think students have started coming from those countries as well. So it's a vibrant campus here. We are in the south of Delhi, very green campus, and the facilities are outstanding, and teachers are outstanding, and therefore I think we more and more opening up to countries from various regions of the world.
That before taking out that particular kind of notification, I think they should have gone for meeting with the students and teachers.
Actually, regarding the advancement in technology, Jamia Hamdard has offered us there is a great opportunity to learn the advanced technology over here. There is a sophisticated instrument like NMR, there is a IR facility, and since I am the student of pharmacy and doing my M.Pharm in pharmaceutics, the new drug discovery, new drug delivery, these things you can practice over here. You can learn more efficiently and practically over here, and that has been benefited to us.
So I discussed that case with the remote system.
Nepal is a developing country, and India, it has been emerged as a developed country, and it's a economic giant. Recently it has been addressed as an economic giant. So I think being a neighbor of India, I hope that Nepal will take a various benefit, not only in economic way but also in education and research field. That will obviously, or in long term, that will help our country, our population to build and in progress similar way.
The major challenges still we are relying on the oldest technology regarding the field of medicine. We need to get upgraded timely. That's a great challenge.